Hi everyone, do you know how to take a screenshot of complete website? And we are not going to use any third-party software or any Chrome extension, but we are going to use the tool which is going to help you take complete screenshot of the website. And that trick is completely for free and you can use that one without any problem. Now let's go straight to my computer screen and I'm going to show you how you are going to take a screenshot of any website. Okay, first you are going to open any website. For example, I'm going to open at n.ioa and you are going to see that it is a very big website and therefore we need to screenshot that complete website. And one thing more, if you don't know about N at N automation, you can just check my YouTube channel, of course, and you are going to find that how you are going to automate your YouTube channel as well. But here I'm going to right click and we are going to inspect, and then you will see that three dot. Click on that one and run command. And here you are going to write screenshot, and you will see that capture full size screenshot. And when you are going to click on that one, and it will take some time, and then it will just screenshot your website. Now you can see that I have screenshot my website, and that is the complete website. And if we are just going to zoom in that website, and here is how you are going to see each and every element from here. I hope you got idea that how you are going to screenshot your any website. If you like that video, just don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you everyone. Goodbye.